Hello children, welcome to today's session. Let us discuss about differentiation, the most important two rules, that is product rule and quotient rule. So what is product rule and what do you mean by quotient rule? Let us discuss about these two topics in detail in today's class. Coming to product rule, if f of x and g of x are two differentiable functions, they are differentiable functions, then product of two functions, that is d by dx of f of x into g of x is equal to first function, that is f of x into derivative of second function, I mean d by dx of g of x. So students, derivative of g of x we can write as g dash of x plus second function, that is g of x, into differentiation of first function f of x, I mean d by dx of f of x is f dash of x. Students, once again, first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. Okay, this method is also we call it as UV method. UV method, I mean d by dx of u into v. Here u is nothing but f of x, v is nothing but g of x. U and v are two differentiable functions. Then what is the differentiation of product of two functions, that is uv equal to, simply we can write as u v dash plus v u dash. So first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. D by dx of u v equal to u v dash plus v u dash. Students, let us consider one function. For example, they will ask you to find d by dx of x into sin x. See here, actually we have two functions here. One is x and the second one is sin x. So this if you consider as u and this you consider as v. So d by dx of uv. So here what is u, children? As u value is x here. Let us find differentiation of u. We call it as u dash. Students, what is the differentiation of x? As differentiation of x is 1. Now what is our second function? G of x, that is v. V equal to sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x, children? As sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. Right? So what is the formula? D by dx of u into v equal to u v dash, u in the sense x, v dash, sin x differentiation is cos x, plus v u dash, as v is sin x, into u dash, as x differentiation is 1. So x into cos x we can write as x cos x plus sin x into 1 sin x. Children, did you understand how to find a product of two differentiable functions? One is x and other one is sin x. For example, let us take one more example, d by dx of x square plus 1 into cos x. D by dx of x square plus 1 into x square plus 1 into cos x. Again we have two functions here. One is f of x, we call it as u. Second function is g of x, we call it as v. So as u is x square plus 1, what is the differentiation of x square plus 1? U dash is x square derivation is 2x and 1 is constant. The constant differentiation is 0. So 2x plus 0, 2x, students. Now coming to second function, that is called as v. V equal to cos x. So what is the differentiation of cos x? Cos x differentiation is minus sin x, right? Now d by dx of u into v. U v dash, u in the sense first function x square plus 1 into v dash, cos x differentiation is minus sin x, plus second function is v cos x u dash. u dash differentiation we got 2x, right? So it will become, if you keep it like this also it's okay, no problem. Further if you want to simplify, you can simplify this. Okay, so this is our product rule. So that is d by dx of u into v. What is uv formula? U v dash plus v u dash. That is the differentiation of product of two functions. Okay, again let us discuss about quotient rule. Here we are multiplying two functions. Here when we divide two functions, how to find whose differentiation? That is d by dx of f of x by g of x. So as d by dx of f of x by g of x is, okay, so we can also call it as u by v method. We can also call it as this as u by v method. U by v method. So first we have to write g of x into differentiation of f of x v second function into differentiation of first function minus children here. Again first function into differentiation of second function by second function whole square, g of x whole square. Okay, if you are confusing, we call it as u by v method. What is the formula of u by v? Simply v u dash minus u v dash by v square. What is the differentiation of u by v? V u dash minus u v dash by v square, right? So this is also called as quotient rule. We call it as quotient rule. So for example, let us take two functions. Let us take two differentiable function. For example, d by dx of 2x minus 1 by x square plus 1. 2x minus 1 by x square plus 1. As here u value what? As u equal to 2x minus 1. U equal to 2x minus 1. What is the differentiation of u dash? 2x differentiation is what? 2x differentiation is 2 constant, x differentiation 1 minus 1 is constant. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 0, 2 only. Okay. Now what is v here? As the value of v is x square plus 1. So what is the differentiation of v? V dash is x square differentiation is 2x plus 1 differentiation is 0. So 2x plus 0, that implies 2x only. Right? So v u dash. What is v children? As v is here x square plus 1 into u dash. As u dash is 2 minus u v dash. U is nothing but 2x minus 1 into v dash. V dash differentiation is 2x by v square. V is nothing but x square plus 1 whole square. So further if you want to simplify, let us simplify x square into 2, 2x square plus 1 into 2, 2 minus 2x into 2, that is 4x square minus into minus plus 1 into 2x, 2x by x square plus 1 whole square. So further if you want to simplify, 2x square minus 4x, that implies minus 2x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 1 whole square. So this is about d by dx of u by v. So u by v formula is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, let us see one more question. For example, d by dx of 2x minus 1 by x square plus 1. That already we did. X square plus 1 by x plus 1. Let us divide. Let us do d by dx of x square plus 1 by x plus 1. So what is u here? As u is nothing but x square plus 1. U is x square plus 1. V is x plus 1. What is our formula? V u dash. V in the sense x plus 1 into u dash. What is the differentiation of x square plus 1? X square plus 1 differentiation is 2x minus u v dash. U is nothing but x square plus 1 into, what is the differentiation of x children? X plus 1 differentiation is x differentiation 1, 1 plus 0, 1 only, by v square. V square is nothing but x plus 1 whole square. Further if you want to simplify, x into 2x, 2x square plus 1 into 2x minus x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. 2x square minus x square, that implies x square plus 2x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So these are the two important rules to find the differentiation of any two functions. I hope you understood both product rule and quotient rule, children. Okay, thank you, children.